Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Bybit app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on the screen. So now if you want to buy crypto on Bybit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now you need to tap on the deposit, which is at the left side of the withdraw. So once you tap on the deposit, you can see there is three options in here: buy with NPR, P2P trading, and last one is deposit crypto. So if you want to buy crypto on Bybit, then you can choose P2P trading because it is easy to buy crypto from here. So once you tap on the P2P trading, you can see there is three sellers in here, and you can also select the cryptocurrency from here by just down below of the buy option. You can see the USDT, USDC, BTC, ETNs. So you can simply choose the USDT for now and just tap on the seller, and you need to chat with them. And once you verify yourself and once you complete the transaction, you will be able to buy crypto on Bybit app successfully. So basically this is how you can buy crypto on Bybit app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.